Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And so today's topic of discussion is sources of research problem. In the previous video we have seen about the research problems and research questions, but now the question is that from where research problems we are going to get it, है ना? And from where we can generate the research problems. So there are different areas from where research problems can arise and from where we can generate the research problems. So out of them, first area is experience and clinical field work. So basically nurses work in different situations, in different conditions, as well as in different atmosphere during their everyday clinical life, and that different situation and condition is a rich source of ideas for research problems. For example, if we are having a nurse patient ratio 1:3 in a medical ward, then nurse may think that if it is changing from 1:1 nurse patient ratio, then what is going to happen? That means curiosity about the things, why the way they are, or about how things can be improved if something were to change. So basically there are some hints which will help in getting the research problems from our clinical field work. So first is watch for recurring problems. So sometimes nurses feel same problems every time they work, and then they can choose to disconnect the pattern in that situation, and that can lead to the problem. जो नर्स है वो ट्राई कर सकती है कि किसी तरह से मैं इस पैटर्न को जो है डिस्कनेक्ट करूं ताकि मुझे जो है एक नया सॉल्यूशन मिले. दैट मीन्स इट विल हेल्प इन लीडिंग द रिसर्च प्रॉब्लम. Second is think about the aspects that are frustrating or that are not giving us any intended outcome, and then try to identify those contributing factors which are leading that problem or that frustrating situation. That will help in generating the research problem. Third, sometimes nurses may fail to take decisions based on the tradition or systematic evidence. So try to find that decisions and critically examine those decisions. It will also help in getting the research problems. Next area of concern is nursing literature. This is the mostly used area from where we generate the nursing problems and research, basically nursing research problems. So they are the ways from where we get the nursing literature, like nursing journals, as well as known research articles, as well as published research reports. All these can help in finding out the research problems. Nursing journals का अगर हम example देखें तो like nursing research, and in non-research articles may also helpful in getting the trends and issues relating to nursing in clinical setting, as well as published research reports may also help, or they can give us directly and indirectly ideas about the research problems and the further need of investigation in that area. Sometimes inconsistency in the findings, like what happens, some researchers do their studies but they skip some findings. Okay, they get some loose points. That loose points or that inconsistency in the findings may also help us or may give us an idea about the new research problem. And researcher may also wonder whether a study which is applied in two different settings will give a comparable result or will give a same result. So that can also lead, or that can also help in leading a research problem. Third area is social issues. The social issues as well as controversial social issues also help us in finding the research problems. For example, feminist movement has raised questions about the different topics such as sexual harassment, gender equity in the healthcare and in research. Theory. So theory to be useful in nursing practice must be applicable for the hospital units, clinics, classrooms and other nursing environments. Then only that theory can help in getting the research problems. Last is ideas for external sources. So जो हमारे external sources होते हैं, that can also give us idea about the research problems. Sometimes a researcher topic is given by a direct suggestion from the guide, from the co-guide, or from somebody. Then organizations that are going to sponsor that research project, they can also give the topic regarding research problems, as well as priority list established by many nursing specialty areas. Then brainstorming session as well as professional conferences. So all these are the areas or sources from where we can generate the research problems. So till now we have studied about the experience and clinical field work, nursing literature, social issues, theory, ideas from external sources. So this is all about today. In next video we will take a different topic.